good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Almost forgot my intro there for a second. I haven't recorded in about a week, 2 weeks or something. But anyway, y'all saw the title. Y'all know what's up. Got another box. Add to the collection. So if you guys want to know what is in this box, what everything looks like, stay tuned. Okay, I'm not gonna delay. As you guys know, I'm not doing seriously. As you guys know, we don't delay here at Sneakers and Handbags Central or HQ. So we're gonna go ahead and get this box open so you guys can get my reaction to this. Oh, this room's got to be clean. One thing about people in the sneaker space, and I've noticed this now since I have entered this space, it gets messy. You guys can't see the shoe boxes that need to be thrown out and the stuff that's around me. So, and then also I have other stuff going on too, and there's stuff all around, but whatever. We gonna stop rambling. We got a white box gold Jumpman on the front. Let's see. The the tag reads Women Air Jordan 1 Low, and the colorway is Pure Platinum Citron Tint. I wear a size 9 in women's. Yes, I have somewhat big feet. 9 are big for some people. I used to wear a 10. I don't know if I told y'all that, but I used to wear a 10, but that changed over time. We got the white paper with the 23 in gold on it. Sip. Oh, let me see something. The camera is not doing this justice. Lord, the camera is not doing this justice. These are the Air Jordan 1 Low Lemonades. Oh my gosh. These are not doing it justice. Lord, let me get this out of my way so I can drool over the shoes. All right, as you guys know, I've been getting into lows lately. I have 2 pair of Jordan 1 lows and a pair of Jordan 11 lows. Now this makes 3 on the Air Jordan 1 low train. Here's the shoes right here. And we're going to take you all the way around with the shoe. And the backs with the wings. All right, we're going to do left shoe because in this house we are lefties. All right, so what is this? Pure Platinum and Citron Tint. So Pure Platinum, I believe, is going to be all the white pieces on the shoe, and the Pure Citron Tint is all the yellow pieces from the laces and all the trimmings around, including the swoosh. You're going to have the white wings in back. You have the Jumpman on the tongue in the yellow or citron. And like I said, you have the yellow laces. Inside, let me take the cardboard out. Inside is going to be plain yellow. There's nothing in the inside of the... Oh, wait. Nope. We have... Oh, the Jumpman's in there. Couldn't see it because it's in white. So hopefully you guys can see that, but the Jumpman is in white. You have a white midsole, and then you have the yellow outsole, or the yellow outsole. All right, here's the situation. This is not my first time seeing this shoe in person. I know somebody who was able to get the shoe, got it on drop during the drop day. I was able to pick this up on a restock, and really had no business buying this shoe because I had bought another shoe already that day, and this shoe popped. What was the other shoe I bought that day? I can't remember. Anyway, I have to look. Anyway, when I saw this shoe, and I already have like a couple of pairs of yellow Jordans, like in the mids. Yes, mids. I have gold and I have yellow in mid, no lows. So this satisfied my yellow low situation. I don't have to get anything else in yellow and lows. So let me stop rambling. Let's get to the fashions. Okay, for this look, I went with my Essentials, Fear God long sleeve polo shirt. Skirt is from Old Navy. And bag is my Fendi multicolored Pequin bag that I picked up from Fashion File this October for my birthday. You guys saw this look on Wednesday, but I didn't put this shoe with it because I didn't want to spoil the video. But I did put it with another shoe that I own that has yellow in it. So this yellow is a color, like I think I've said before, I don't own a lot of yellow in my wardrobe. But when I saw this shoe, I had to have it. It is a summery shoe, but you can bring it into fall and winter and spring. So this long sleeve polo fit perfectly with it. So, you know, for a casual day and stuff like that. So let's get down on the floor and let's see the shoe up close and personal. Okay, here's the shoe up close. I don't even know what to say because I love this shoe. I love the color of yellow. It's like a lemony yellow, and it's very, what can I say? I mean, it is very bright and cheery. That's the word I'm looking for. It's a bright and cheery shoe. I love it. Even right now in November, this shoe is bright, it's cheery. I love wearing it. I love every minute of it. Do I wish I got it earlier in the year? Which I did get it earlier in the year. I wish I was able to wear it more earlier in the year, but that's okay. I have more time this spring and this summer coming. But yeah, this shoe is very, very comfortable. Let me give you guys the back view so you guys can see the white wings on the back. Give you guys an inside view of the shoe right here with a little bit of leg. And here's the front of the shoe right here with the yellow laces. I didn't change the laces out to white. I kind of like the yellow lace. I may change them out to white at a later date just to see how they look. But right now I do like the yellow lace on the shoe. But yeah, this shoe is really cute and I really, really like it. And if you are able to pick it up, go get it. Okay, for this outfit, well, I went with this two-piece set that I picked up from Target from the Who Would Wear collection. I got this like probably back in 2017, 2018, and Who Would Wear is no longer at Target now. For the bag, I went with the 3.1 Philip Lim Pashley, which I believe this is the large size. I got this years ago also. And of course, we went with the Jordan 1 Low Lemonades. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little pop of yellow, just a real nice black and white coordinate outfit with a nice bag. This bag also is a crossbody bag, but I just took the strap off and switched bags like yesterday. So let's get on the floor so we can see the shoe up close and personal. All right, here's the shoe again up close and during the day. There may be a little bit of a shadow because the Christmas tree is right there. Anyway, here is the lemon yellow shoe one more time. I thought about switching out the laces to a white lace, but I actually like the yellow lace on this shoe. It actually does pop. I can switch out the lace later, but this shoe is a really cute shoe. It's very comfortable. I love that this shoe can go into fall and winter along with spring and summer. So here's the shoes up close from the front one more time so you guys can see the yellow laces. Here they are from the outside. Let me get in closer. Here's the inside of the shoe. And here's the back so you guys can see the wings right there. Let me pull my, I don't want to have my pants looking too crazy right here. But yeah, these are the shoes. All right, I hope you guys liked all the things I picked out with this shoe. This actually is more of a spring summer shoe, but as you guys know, we're in November and I'm gonna still rock these. I am still rocking these shoes. I don't care. Because here's the thing, with a yellow shoe, oh, I'm sorry. I look over this way. My closet is this way. If you guys remember the room tour, I have a jacket with yellow in it. So you guys probably saw that already. So you probably know what jacket I'm talking about. But yeah, Yellow, as we all know, is like a spring summery color, but you can rock yellow all year round. Whatever shade of yellow. I don't go by the whole color thing, you know. You can do orange in the winter. It doesn't have to just be Halloween. You can do orange whenever. So as we saw, orange was big this summer. So orange was big this summer. So it's great to see colors not being seasonal. You can just rock any color anytime. Anyway, let me shut up. I keep looking at the viewfinder. I keep doing that. I need to stop. I'm sorry, guys, if y'all notice my eyes going this way. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Anyway, I hope you guys like what I did with this shoe. Let me give you guys another close-up of the shoe one more time. And this is in Pure Platinum and Citron Tint. So all the Citron is going to be all the yellow pieces, or Lemonade, which is the name of the shoe. All the Citron or yellow pieces are going to be in the swoosh, all around the toe, the strings, all the way around the shoe and to the back. And all the Pure Platinum is going to be all the white pieces from the toe cap, around the swoosh, the wings on the back, in the midsole. Oh, I forgot to say the Citron is on the outsole also. So on the midsole, you're going to get that white right there. The actual inside of the shoe is going to be the Citron Tint, and you have the white Jumpman in there. On the tongue, you have the Citron Jumpman on the tongue. Like I said, these are women's size 9. If you are able to pick these up, go ahead and grab them. I was able to grab them on a restock. I noticed Nike's been doing a lot of restocks this year, and I'm very happy for it. So I'm able to grab some shoes I was not able to get earlier this year when I was on my no-buy. Because I was getting the house together for my to go into my first year. But anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and I'm gonna get out of here because I have some other stuff to film today, and I had a half day of work. Woohoo, loving that. So plus I need to eat lunch. It's 12:30, and normally this is my lunchtime, so you guys are getting a lunch video technically, but I'm not on the time schedule. So if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about a little bit of everything from shoes, sneakers, handbags. I said shoes and sneakers. From sneakers, handbags, movies, music, home decor, even some marketing stuff is in there too, because the blog started as a marketing blog. So I'm gonna get out of here. I got a lot to do this afternoon, so I'm gonna go. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, lifestyle, and all that fun stuff. Bye.